हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। मैं हूं ओंकार और लेट्स स्टार्ट विद एचटीएमएल टैग्स एंड एट्रीब्यूट. We will see here the sub tag is basically used for the subscript text. For example, in H2 and CH4 we are using the sub tag over the 2 and 4. Then we will move super tag is used for the superscript text. For example, in H2, for example in 11th and 12th we are using the super tag over the th in the both 11th and 12th. Then we will see the attribute bg color and background attribute. The bg color attribute is basically used inside the body tag. bg color gives the background color to the web pages. If we are using the bg color attribute inside the body, then background. If we are using the background attribute inside the body tag, then we will see the background image insertion in the web page. Let's move. Keep supporting, guys. This is our the HTML code. HTML head, title close, head close, then body. Inside the body we are using the bg color attribute. In bg color is equals to color is equals to bg color is equals to pink. Then background attribute we are copying the address of the image. Uh, background is equals to that image address over there. Then we will see the h1 tag, first header large tag we are using here. Then h, then sub tag we are using 2 sub tag close, then o, then h1 tag close, then br to break and going to the new line we are using the br tag. Then h2, the second header tag we are using. Then 11 super tag we are using. Then th super tag is closed, then h2 tag is closed, then br tag to break and going to the new line we are using br tag over there. Then h3 third header tag we are using. 12th super th super tag is closed, third header tag is closed, then body tag closed, then html tag is closed. Let's see the output of this code. This is our output of this previous code. H2 11th and 12th. H2 is example of subscript and 11th and 12th is example of superscript. We will see this code in mobile. We will run this code in mobile notepad. Okay, let's start, guys. HTML, then head tag, head tag close, there we using body tag. Then we will use super tag over here. Then we will see, we will use here sub tag. And closing we are just over here, and we are using here br tag to break the line and going to the new line just for this purpose. then body tag close. HTML tag also close. Okay, this is our done. This is our code. Let's run this code. Okay, this is our output. You will see here 11th. This is example of superscript and H2O is example of subscript. Then we will see about the Mercury tag. Mercury tag is used to rotate the text. Mercury tag is used to rotate the text inside the image tags also, and Mercury tag is used to rotate the image also. The basic attributes of Mercury tag over scroll delay, V space, H space, direction and BG color. We will see the description of this attribute. Description: the BG color is used to background color of the text. Then direction attribute is used the give the text direction up, down, left to right, right to left. Then scroll delay is used to delay the between the text. Then V space attribute is used to vertical space between the text. Then H space is used to horizontal space between the text. Then scroll amount, how many times you want to run this or rotate this text in our screen, then we are using the scroll amount. If you using the scroll amount is equals to 10, then the text will be run in on the screen for a 10 time. Let's see the HTML code of it. This is our HTML code. HTML head, title, then title close, head tag close, body. Then inside the body we are using the Mercury tag. Direction, we are using the direction attribute is equals to left, size equals to 10. Then BG color is equals to red, H space, then scroll amount is equals to 10, H1 close tag. Then smart way to learn, we are using this sentence over there, smart way to learn the HTML. Then Mercury tag is closed, then body tag closed, then HTML tag closed. This is our the Mercury. We are using Mercury tag inside this HTML code. We will see the output of this code. Let's move. This is our output, but this sentence over there, you will see here, this sentence will be rotated for a 10 time. You will see live, we will see it live. Okay, we will see the live output of this code. Okay, Mercury, then direction attribute equal to left, then scroll amount is equals to 10. Then scroll amount V space, we will use a V space over here, this attribute. We will 12. Okay, then we will use BG color attribute over here. We will write sentence over here. This is our sentence, smart way to learn HTML. Then we will close this, Mercury tag. Sorry, This is our code. Okay, let's run this code. Okay, you will see this is the output of our Mercutag. This is the Mercutag. We are using Mercutag inside the HTML code. Then we will see here output, the smart way to learn HTML. This sentence will be moved for 10 times, and we are using the BG attribute to give the background color to this text. We are using the BG color is equals to pink. That's why we are see here the pink color over there. And subscribe and support karna guys. Bye bye.